How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands and arms step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. Let's get started right now. First exercise that we're going to do is going to be finger curls. So just like this. "13, 14, 15, keep going. So that's 30, that's perfect. Quick 5-second little break. We're then going to move into twists. 7, 8, 9, 10, perfect, keep going. 18, 19, 20, perfect, keep going. That's 30, perfect, you guys, really good. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise is going to be for the hands and the arms. We're just going to squeeze really tight. We're going to hold this for about 20 seconds or so. So again, squeeze really tight and hold this position. So again, keep going, keep squeezing, go. Keep going. Perfect, you guys. Okay, little break. We're then going to move into extensions. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. It's 20. Keep going. 22, 23. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, we're going to do another arm exercise. It's going to be arm circles. So just like this. 1, 2. Doesn't matter which way you go. If you go counterclockwise, clockwise, does not matter. 14, 15, 16, keep going. Perfect, that's 30 repetitions, quick little break. Okay, we are then going to do the claw stretch. So claw stretch is when we go like this, we curl our hands really tight, and then we hold that position for about 20 to 30 seconds. You have to squeeze the entire time. If you do not squeeze the entire time, this exercise becomes ineffective. You have to squeeze the whole time, you guys. So I'm squeezing really tight right now. Like my hands are starting to shake. You can kind of see they are shaking a little bit because I'm squeezing so tight, you guys. So keep squeezing a little bit, almost there. Keep going a little bit longer. Perfect. So I end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.